In the early 90s, a tangled web of copper gripped the world, binding every piece of technology in shadows. Wires snaked across desks and floors, a chaotic labyrinth of plastic and metal that choked our growing digital potential. To connect a simple phone or headset, you faced a grueling battle against proprietary ports and stubborn physical adapters. Short-range communication remained a fractured mess. Devices were lonely islands, unable to speak without being chained together forever.
But in the quiet halls of 1994, one visionary engineer stood ready to sever these heavy, restrictive electronic leashes.
His name was Jaap Haartsen, a brilliant mind at Ericsson, dreaming of a world defined by invisible, effortless connection. Haartsen imagined a revolutionary radio link, a whisper in the air that could unite all technology without a wire. He engineered a clever system that hopped between frequencies thousands of times every second, dancing away from heavy interference. It was smart, adaptable, and tiny enough to hide inside the smallest gadgets, changing the nature of modern communication. This breakthrough took the name Bluetooth, honoring a legendary Viking king who once united the warring tribes of Scandinavia. Just as the ancient king brought peace, this technology would finally allow disparate devices to speak a common language. Suddenly, wireless headsets liberated our hands, allowing conversation to flow freely while moving through the busy, open world. Keyboards and mice shed their tails, gliding across desks with a grace and freedom never before seen in computing. Cars began to recognize our phones the moment we stepped inside, creating a seamless bridge between travel and technology. Streaming audio and sharing files became as natural as breathing, a silent ecosystem powered by a single brilliant idea. What began as a specific engineering solution soon evolved into a global standard used by billions of people daily. Haartsen did not just remove the physical cables, he removed the limits of what our personal technology could achieve. He is the mastermind who quietly connected the entire world, building a massive empire without using a single wire. Behold the invisible threads that bind our modern lives together, born from a workspace in the heart of Sweden. From the smallest sensor to the most complex machine, his frequencies pulse with the rhythm of global human innovation. Look closely at the device in your hand. It carries the legacy of a man who dared to imagine. This is the story of Jaap Haartsen, the engineer who turned a technical whisper into a thunderous global revolution. This is the essence of Bluetooth, the invisible bond that unites our digital world into one cohesive, functional whole. This is Masterminds, celebrating the brilliant architects of the future who saw possibilities where others only saw heavy wires. Mind Moja Africa brings you the home of innovation, where the spirit of invention knows no borders or physical constraints. Join us as we explore the minds that changed everything, one connection at a time, across the digital horizon.